Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make tofu scrambled eggs. It's vegan vegetarian ideal to make scrambled eggs, fluffy, tasty yet delicious. Basically, you can substitute with any vegetables available in your fridge. It's very easy. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Wrap tofu in paper towels, then microwave for 3 minutes to drain well. Slice onion. Cut carrot into thin strips. Defrost edamame and remove the beans from the pods. Put sesame oil in a frying pan. Add the vegetables. Cook until tender. Add tofu, break into pieces with hands. Then add the seasonings. Cook until tofu water is gone. Add edamame and season with salt. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
이따만
上手
歌が好きです。パンポーじゃねバイバイ